Hey there, in this video I'm going to talk about the M5s by Anycubic. Many people reported they had issue with printing with this machine because it's just not working on Reddit. You're going to find plenty of posts. And there was this guy just wrote here about a guide that you can try. You can just input guide to level your plate. So there is a 5s, but I don't know if you have this version to level the plate because probably it can be issue with it. But what I encourage you to do, and I know maybe this video is going to be useful, just try this out, what you can find in this video. Maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. There are plenty of people in the comments that wrote here what helped to them. Like this guy right here, you can find it in the video. Just try it out. And what you can do is they just write to the support, and many people report that they just like send them a new, just open a ticket with the Anycubic, and maybe they're going to help you fix the issue. The problem with this is that like 1 out of 4, like 2 out of 4, they send the product, it's just like there is an issue with it. So maybe this video wasn't helpful at all. Try this video, maybe it's going to, thanks to this video, it's possible to fix it. If not, I'm sorry. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.